Today, we'll be making a Chinese dessert called Tang Yuan, also known as glutinous rice balls with a sesame filling. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. First, let's start with our sesame filling. To a bowl, add in ground black sesame seeds. You can find this at a store in a package like this. If not, you can also grind your own sesame seeds. Today, I'll also be adding peanuts for some extra flavor, but this is optional. Then, add in your sugar and give it a good mix. Once combined, add in your melted coconut oil. You can also use melted butter if you wish. The paste should be pretty thick at this point, so add in some water and continue to mix. Once your paste forms, transfer it into a Ziploc bag and we'll refrigerate this so that it can harden. After a couple hours in the freezer, it should now be hard and you can divide it into portions. Don't worry if it breaks, we will be shaping them shortly. This recipe will make about 60 ball fillings, so shape each one into a ball and we'll set this aside for now. Now, while that's in the freezer, we can work on our dough. To a bowl of glutinous rice flour, add in boiling water and stir continuously. Then, we'll add in our room temperature water and knead. Knead until your dough comes together and it becomes smooth. Then we can cover and set it aside for about 30 minutes. Now, our dough should be ready and we can divide. To prevent our dough from drying out, divide your dough into 4 pieces first. Cover the remaining 3. Roll each piece into a log and divide into 15 pieces. For each piece, form a hole and place your filling inside. Then close the seams and gently roll. Continue to wrap all your sesame balls. For the sesame balls that you don't plan on cooking, place it in the freezer and you can cook at a later date. Once you're all done, now we can cook. To boiling water, add in your sesame balls. Once they begin to float, you'll know that they're done cooking. For extra flavor, I've added some syrup. Stir to combine. And there you have it, delicious homemade Tang Yuans. Enjoy!